Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about why scarcity is the biggest weapon in e-commerce advertising and how to actually use it. If people don't have any scarcity, they do not act, right? They think that they have enough time, then for example they can, go to the website and see like, okay, I will just come back later, right? And that later will never happen. So you need to throw on them some scarcity so they know that you need to act now or this is lost, right? This opportunity of fix this problem, or get this benefit in life, or whatever, is only here for now. And if you don't move immediately and pay for it immediately, order it immediately, then it disappears, right? That's why you need to do scarcity, because it's that thing that will like move them, right, to that action. Because if there is nothing that really scares them about losing this opportunity, then they will just leave, right? They will bounce, because we all know that most people don't really need to buy something, right? I mean, like, you usually buy, based on some emotions, when you imagine like some product that will like change your life, right? But let's say that you are buying iPhone, right? So you have iPhone that is like 3 years old. You don't really need like new iPhone, because the iPhone works almost exactly same. It even looks almost exactly same. There's almost like no difference in it, right? But you still buy it because let's say that there was like some discount, right, on the new iPhone, or there was like some great ad that you've seen, right? And there's like some specific like timeline that you need to buy, right? Because there's like a deadline and then price will go 20% up, right? And you don't need to buy it, but you will buy it because it's just like, it's emotional. There's like scarcity, right? Fear of missing out that you will not get it, right? There is like some great offer, and that itself will kind of like a push, right? So that's why you always need to use that scarcity in your ads, right? Because that itself can like move those people and really like tell them, act now or you will lose, right? And a lot of people, when they like the product, will just pull the trigger and buy it, right? Because they don't want to lose, and they don't want to, like lose anything that can really like change their life in the future. Let's talk about typical behavior of Facebook user, right? So let's say that again, you have a phone, right? And what do these people do, right, when they come on Facebook? First, nobody on Facebook, is there to buy an e-commerce product, right? Most people who come there, they are really to check some friends, check some Instagram post, or check some Facebook post, or check some videos, lives or whatever, right? So they're basically there to kind of like enjoy some time, right? Get some dopamine and really like kill some time, right? But they are not there to buy. And that's why when actually we need to push person, from the state where they basically like came just to like spend some time, right, and really like procrastinate, to position where basically they take their card out, right, credit card, and pay for some stuff that they didn't think they will need like 2 minutes ago. Well, for that we really need to use a couple things to basically like emotionally push them to that state, right, to that right direction. And basically scarcity is like the best thing, right? Let's say first that you show people your ad, right, and they like it because there was like a huge chaos, right, in that newsfeed, and they seen your ad, right, they seen your thumbnail, and they decided, okay, so interesting thumbnail, like, okay, video, great. Then I check headline, there's like some offer or like some emotion, they like it, they also like check your text. And so they are already like invested because they already seen your product, right, and it looks interesting. And then basically to kind of like make them to pull the trigger, right, what we need to do is to like use some scarcity, right, that if they will not move now, then they will not be able to get this deal, right? Because usually when you go on Facebook, you usually use some deal because, well, like I said, people there are not there to buy, so we need to like create some specific emotions, right, that they are missing out on something. So they like this product, they see there is like a price, right? Then you also can, throw on them that if they will not pull the trigger today, then next stock will come in like a couple months, right? And that itself will like build, that fear, right? That if they will not do anything now, they will just lose this opportunity. And same thing that you can do it also on your landing page, for example, or in your product page with like some scarcity, like some countdown timers, or like something like that, right? And really, like, if you think about it, if you will go without all these things, right, where you try to really like use scarcity to make people, to to do some action, then this will really like decrease your conversion rate, right? Because people, especially on Facebook, when they are there not to buy, need, you know, sometimes that push, right? That will really like push them in towards that decision, right? Because nobody wants to do any decisions, and easiest thing, you know, how to actually make somebody, you know, to push them to make some decision is by scarcity, when they think that they are going to lose something, right? Because nobody wants to lose anything, right? They always, you know, want to, like, they don't like fear of missing out. It's like a negative emotion in a way that basically moves people, you know, towards some goal. You definitely need to use scarcity when you sell something, right? And you need to do it in ads, and you need to do it also, you know, on your landing page. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it helped. And if you still didn't download my ebook, definitely download it. It's Facebook Ad Launch Guide for e-commerce, and you will really find there like very advanced stuff, you know, how, for example, we step by step manage like $50,000 in profitable ad spend per day on Facebook. For example, how we create rules, you know, when to stop what ad sets, right? Because each product have like a different optimization rules, you know, that basically will keep the product in profit, right? And so you also know when to scale, and so you never actually scale losses, right? So it's kind of like an ultimate protection for your Facebook advertising, and it's completely for free. And this will help you. Doesn't matter if you start, you know, with Facebook ads and you want to get more sales for an e-commerce store, or you already work with Facebook agency and you want to know if actually your partners are doing a great job, if they are really like increasing your profit, right, and doing everything in their like a power, right, to push you up, or if they are just holding you down because they are slacking. So definitely download the book, it's still free. And thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like my videos, definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and I will see you in my tomorrow video. So thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.